All right, as you can see on my screen, this is actually an assignment from the past, and it's not going to be 100 points. We're still in our 10 points per day, but I'm going to repost this in a minute. What I want you to do is get set up with the Unreal training. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open this link on your machines here. All right. You're going to want to be able to run or mirror what's being explained to you. So anybody who was logged in got the link opened automatically. Otherwise, we'll go over how to get there in a minute. It's also in the assignment. So right here where it says get started, you would need to be signed in. There's a sign in the upper right hand corner. And when you do so, the straightforward way, what I'd like you to do is just go ahead and sign in using Google. What that would look like for you is, all right, so use your Epic account. You see that in the upper right hand corner there? That's what you're going to want to work on. So when you click on this, just go ahead and use Google to sign in. And you're going to see that there's a portal where you can earn badges. Required first is to complete this interactive training. Attach a screenshot showing you've completed it at 100%. It's basically going to describe the portal to you rather than have me go through it. You can repeat this at your own pace. I'm going to take a quick look at that with you. I can repeat these once I've earned them, but let's just press on for a minute to kind of show you. So what I'm expecting to see is a screenshot like this that shows your name as you've been signed in, and you're going to have these ongoing achievements or badges that you're going to earn. So that's going to be the kind of thing we're going to be doing. So this is so if I look at my recent achievements or all of my achievements, this is just specific to me. I've done a number of these. So one of the first ones that I did, and the one that I'd like you to do, I think you can skip, by the way, the introducing the Unreal Engine. But this one here, the tour of the Unreal Engine portal, is the one that I'd like you to do first. I'm going to paste this in. There we go. This is the first one I want you to start with. And when you get to 100%, that will show here as well as on your main one. Now, when you go through these, so please watch just for a minute, I want to highlight a couple of features that are not necessarily intuitive. The first thing is I strongly suggest you turn on the closed captioning. And on an intro content, you could probably go 1 1/4 or even 1.5 speed. If you've watched it before and you definitely know what's going on, sure, go 2x or 3x. But you're going to get to a point where what you're going to need to do is slow it down, I believe. I know that's true of me, especially for some authors. So there's two variabilities, how fast the other person's talking and how awake you are, right? Here, I'm trying to remember how it is we turn on closed captioning in here, because I definitely think that, there we go. Click on the word CC and use your language of choice. So this is what you're going to go through now. As I'm playing it, if I get distracted for a minute, I can move the scrub bar back, right? Oh, what was that? I missed it. Or if it's really quick, if it's something I want to look at quickly, sure. I mean, and here's the thing. You could go through all of this at top speed and just go, yeah, I did it. You'd be cheating yourself, to be honest. So you need to understand what the content is. If you don't know what it is, you can repeat it. Eventually, there's going to be a checkpoint. And when you get to a checkpoint, it's going to ask you questions. And what we're trying to get you to understand is a check for understanding is a point for you to figure out if you are getting from it what the essential outcomes are. There's 2 quizzes in here. So when you get to a quiz, you'll need to go through and answer questions. It'll tell you if it's correct or incorrect, right? So that's basically what I want you to do. Any questions about what you need to do in the Learning Portal? By the end of the day, before you sign off, I'm expecting that you'll have completed these first 2. If you don't get to this on Monday of this week, you'll be getting to it on Tuesday. That would be for somebody who has a calendar conflict.